Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews, and today we've got something really fantastic. It comes to us from EcoKiss at ecokiss.com. This is strawberry stem cell face cream, and it smells absolutely wonderful. It comes from real stem cells of strawberries. Scent is amazing. It's anti-aging. I'm well into my 40s, and this stuff works. So we're gonna take a look. We're gonna check it out right about now. And I've got a special guest today. That's right, Amy from Rockstar Reviews is here with us. She's going to apply it on my face, talk a little bit about it, and this is one heck of a cream. She's going to talk about it as well. So yeah, it's an amazing product. Main ingredients include aloe, and really the strawberry stem cells are where it's at. So what does it say? It says this potent anti-aging cream contains a powerful blend of antioxidants and advanced peptides for a more lasting, youthful appearance. Infused with strawberry stem cell fruit extract, it targets premature aging, fine lines, and brightens skin for a healthy glow. That's another thing, that strawberry is supposed to give a very healthy glow for your skin. So again, we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna put all the information in the links below. So go ahead and join us. Let's kick it off. When should we kick it off? Right about now. So Amy, this is EcoKiss, and let's go ahead and take a look. It says directions after cleansing, apply a rich layer onto the face. Use morning and evening. So why don't you give it a sniff and give your perspective on the strawberry.
This is amazing. You can smell the strawberries before you even took the lid off. I was just like, I know this is strawberry.
Right.
It smells amazing.
And that's actually
really, really good. Like really good.
Before we got started, I showed it to her, and she was just like, "Yep, absolutely!" Like she loved the scent.
Oh.
You can try it as well.
Yeah.
So that's something that a lot of guys are afraid to do, is take care of their skin. And if you don't want to wind up looking like Willie Nelson in a bad way.
What? You're crazy.
She loves Willie Nelson, that's why I said that. But somebody with wrinkly old man skin, clearly not Willie Nelson, then you're going to want to, sorry about that, thank you. You're definitely going to want to take care of your skin.
No, this is so moisturizing. You can tell, like,
Oh,
it's
wow.
just amazingly moisturizing, and I can already feel that it's tightening. It's definitely, you can feel not only moisture, but your pores getting smaller at the same time, which is what you want.
So my argument with a lot of similar scents, fragrances,
Yeah?
is that the strawberry smells like Skittles or like Starburst.
No, this is like for real strawberries.
Yeah. So there's a big difference between something that wants to smell like strawberries and something that's actually strawberries, like a real strong.
Is there aloe vera in that too?
Yeah,
it
I
smells
believe
like
there
aloe
is.
vera.
Yeah, aloe vera is the #1 ingredient. How did you know that?
Because it's not, because
She had
it's
to cheat,
real.
right?
No, it's real ingredients. So when things are real and organic, you can smell them because there's nothing else that's faking them. It's not artificial stuff. It's the real
Right.
thing.
So, and another thing is like a little dab will do you apparently, because I've done my
Yeah.
entire face. I feel like very thoroughly. I feel very moisturized, but there's plenty left in this 2-ounce container.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So you're not going to go through it too quick.
Yeah, I definitely think this would be the type of thing that you could probably layer at night if you have other serums or anything going on. But in the day, you're probably just going to do this and sunscreen. I
Makes sense.
wouldn't put a lot of more product on. It's
Perfect.
amazing.
So yeah, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. We'll put whatever links and product information that we can find. We'll put that in the description below. I'm leaning on
It feels so dewy and like shiny now.
I'm leaning on a chair back here, just so we could be the same height, because I'm way taller than her.
Slide.
So I almost fell while you were talking, so I think they caught that on camera. But anyway, folks, it is www.ecokiss.com. They do have an email address. It's info@ecokiss.com.
Cruelty free too.
Oh, that's the way to be, right?
Cruelty free, way
Right.
to be.
We are both big animal lovers, so yeah, take care of your animals, take care of your pets, and thank you again for joining me on 911 Reviews.
And Amy on Rockstar Reviews.
And if you'd like to do a product review, or if you'd like to have any questions for us, go ahead, email me at 911productreviews@gmail.com.
911rockstars@gmail.com.
We joke because one time she couldn't remember her email address.
I'm gonna put it on screen anyway, just in case I got it wrong.
And thanks again for watching. Go ahead and check this out. You're going to love it. And leave us a comment below. What does your skincare routine look like? Thanks again for watching. Click like, subscribe. We have new videos all the time, and
Adios, amigos.
adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.